Can't wait to go home and just like
unbox.
Take my clothes off.
Ooh. 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 And then?
Hey everyone, it is a massive day today. We have just been getting ready. It's like 6:30 a.m. here. Had showers, we had coffee, we got ready, and now we're off to start our day. So the whole day we're gonna vlog because it's a big day today, and we thought instead of vlogging the whole week, we're gonna just vlog this whole day. So come along as we spend our day from wake up to sleep. Doors closing. My hair's wet because I'm about to get it done. I don't think I'm going out like this.
Getting your hair?
Getting my hair done. Hair is done. Now we're off to the event with Maria Nila. Everything's the waiting game. We are here at the event this morning. I'm here with Chris B. We're just waiting for all the guests to arrive. Welcome to the Butler Potts Point, where you're going to enjoy a beautiful breakfast and learn all things Maria Nila.
Thank you, Amy. I think the sign over.
This question is for both of you. What is one thing you want everyone to know about Maria Nila?
First event has been completed. AMC hosted it, she did a great job, and now I am just walking home. AMC's off to another event. I'm going to go home and prep us lunch, do some of the housework. AMC will meet me at home, and then we will have lunch together before going off to the Sephora event this afternoon.
I've just arrived at my next event. You saw what I was wearing for. It's a black and white event.
Just gave AMC a call to see what she wants for lunch. I gave her the options of prawns, tuna, chicken mince, steak. She went with tuna. So I'm going to whip up something with canned tuna. Let's see what I come up with. Tuna. AMC wanted tuna. I have no idea what this is, but
I'm sure it'll be yum. You also made guac.
And I added something secret.
I think I know what it is. This morning at our event, there were jalapenos in our guac, and I was like, oh, it would be lovely to have jalapenos in that guac at home. So I'm assuming that's what you added because you're a very attentive man. You listen, you do, and you just get it. Oh, yum. Oh, babe. Oh, babe. That's so good.
All right, we're having protein bread from Coles. We're having guacamole. And we're also having canned tuna with dill, red onion, coriander, some Kewpie mayo, some sriracha, freshly squeezed lemon. That's it.
On days that we are really busy, this is what Aaron does. He just takes charge, he goes for it, and that's what I love.
I just make shit up. Enjoy my life.
Thank you.
Whatever you want to call this, enjoy it. Do you want anything else with it?
No thanks.
Sure.
This looks great.
Cheers.
Cheers. Alright, we are gonna finish this
Meal.
You've got avocado on your face. We're gonna finish this meal and get stuck into some work because I've been at events this morning, and we're gonna do some work, and then we've got another event. Stay tuned. Okay, so this is a very, 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 very exciting thing that's happening right now? What is it?
Can't tell you.
We're gonna have to.
Not yet.
No.
Could be shit.
Okay, well, we can't tell you, but something very, 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 very exciting is happening right now. And it's gonna be coming out shortly. Just saying. Anyway, we've done a little taste testing of something that Aaron's working on and done some emails, and we also just launched something very exciting, the Acero YouTube channel. 2 episodes going up today. One's already live. The other one is currently uploading, and I've just added the link to the Acero Instagram page. But yes, without Aaron, without Jono, without our amazing team at Acero, a lot of these things that you see that aren't just daily operations of a gym, that aren't just running an app, that aren't just selling clothes, that aren't just all of those things would not be possible without a lot of people on deck doing this. So I'm very lucky to work with amazing people and be able to collaborate with people. It's amazing.
Just had an outfit change. I'm on my way to my second event. AMC's on the way to her third. We're on the way to the Sephora event now. This one's always fun and exciting. Get ready to come along.
Let's go. This place was a little bit out of the way, out of the ordinary, not our usual.
Look at it.
What is this? This is interesting.
It's a factory.
Well, we're here, and it looks massive. So you can just imagine what this is going to be like.
This is going to be hectic.
It's going to be hectic.
Like a lot of influencers.
I don't think you guys are ready for this.
This is going to be full of... I don't think I'm ready for it.
You went last year, babe.
Yeah, and I don't think I was ready for it last year.
You
I
were
don't think
like-
I'm ready for this.
They were spraying you with stuff. They
Oh,
were pumping cream on you. You were like, I'll take it all.
I'm still moisturised from last year.
You are, yes. But yeah, this is cool.
Yeah, this is, as I expected, full on. Been here for about 30 seconds. Oh my God. Feels like I'm at a nightclub.
Welcome to Simone's channel. This is Simone from Fenty.
So we have our beautiful blushes in 14 shades.
Yep.
And our new Gloss Bomb Sticks Shimmer in 6 shades.
Ooh, wait, these are new.
They're new. So they just launched last week. So what are we going to go for? What are we going to try today?
Let's go Lollipoppy. I sit here and Rihanna comes on. She knew. You and I, we're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Ooh, so good.
Stunning.
That's amazing. Stunning.
So this is the reason why I wanted to come to the Sephora event for my favourite brand, Quarterly.
Does it feel good?
Does. It feels amazing.
Buzz, 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 buzz.
There we go.
Buzz, buzz, buzz. We
event.
just completed the Sephora event. That was wild, wasn't it, babe? Look at this. Ah, it's bigger than my head.
We're going to go home and we're going to unbox that and we're going to show you all what is inside.
Yeah, Aaron can't wait.
I just got daggered. I
He got jumped all over.
strongly believe that was a female dominant event,
He was.
which it was.
But, hey,
And
babe,
being the
you
only
love
male
Coeur
there,
d'Alene.
being the only male there was, yeah,
interesting.
to say the least. But yes, I do love Coeur d'Alene, and Coeur d'Alene were there, hence why I was there.
Yeah.
But yes, we're going to
No,
go
you
home.
were there for me.
I was there for you. I got you a rose. Show him the rose. Gosh, aren't I just a cute man?
He's a very cute man.
Oh yeah. One in the book. AMC said the Uber is 10 minutes away. So I thought, why don't we just do the unboxing here? I reckon I could.
doing an unboxing here.
Why not?
No.
Do it on the street. What's wrong with that? I came to a Sephora event, so that means I can just do anything. And look what's on top first.
What's your favourite?
It's a sign. It's a sign from above, quarterly. But yeah, this is going to be an interesting afternoon looking through all of these. Tell you what's going to be the funniest thing? Me pronouncing what they are, the names of them and what they are. I'll give it a go, but I probably won't do a very good job. Yeah, and I have zero shame if you haven't realised already. Like, I'm all for it. Throw me in anything and I'll give it a go. I'll do it. Doesn't bother me. Except I should have brought sunglasses.
Yeah, you should have.
It's very sunny.
Like
Yeah, I should have.
me. We're just in the car on the way home.
We just got in as it's starting to rain, so it was perfect timing.
Can't wait to go home and just, like,
Unbox.
take my clothes off.
Ooh. 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 And then?
And then put a robe on,
Oh.
take my clothes off,
Ooh.
and then be with you.
Oh.
Be with you.
Oh.
Show the bridge.
1, 2, 3. Got it.
Stunning. We are going to be home shortly because we don't live far from here. And we're going to unbox the unboxing. We just finished our Sephora unboxing, which you can see here. It was an amazing event. There were so many different pop-ups, drinks, soft serve ice cream, donuts. I wanted it all.
The goodie bag was fun as well.
The goodie bag was amazing. And yeah, we quickly got ready. Now we're walking into the city to get something to eat because Aaron's parents are here.
Yes, my parents have come up from Canberra, so we thought we'd take them out for some yummies. We're off to Lotus at Barangaroo. We're going to walk down there. It's also my first time eating there. AMC's eaten there before.
I love Lotus. Lotus is amazing. And also Yochi is next door, so you know how I feel about Yochi. We are going to be there soon and show you what we order.
Just finished lunch at Lotus, and now my mum and AMC want Yochi, and now we're waiting in this long line to get Yochi. Yeah, get strawberry as well, why not? She's deciding what flavour she wants. She's currently got coconut and chocolate, and then she just asked if I should get strawberry as well, and I said absolutely, we're here, so why not? And then these are all the toppings now that she's got the yogurt. Strawberries, yeah. Oh, and I don't care. You decide, my love. What are you going with?
We're going with
Milk chocolate drops, chopped chip cookie dough, so there's endless amount of fruits. There's a lot of options going on here. Also, a lot of people. There's a lot of everything. What are you getting now?
Mochi.
Rainbow mochi
Yum.
and house-made granola. Yeah, wow. And then there's also sauces up there. Oh, my days.
Puppy.
Pistachio puppy spread. Are you in heaven or are you in heaven right now?
Heaven.
AMC's got hers. My mum's got hers sorted. Now the girls are going to enjoy Yochi.
Ow!
That sums up our day.
We are finally home from our massive day and we are going to chill. What do you want to watch?
Ooh, your favourite show at the moment is Love is Blind.
I'm sorry. Our favourite show at the moment is Love is Blind.
I'm just glad we're at home and relaxing. Finally.
But this is how we like to unwind. Just chill, switch off, sit on the couch, cuddle.
It's very unconventional cuddling, but
I know.
this'll do.
Ow, my leg is like stuck.
You sat like this, so now you got to cop it.
Oh, hello, Ollie.
Hi, Ollie.
Hi, Ollie.
Sorry we left you at home majority of the day. It has been a very long day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed our day as much as we did.
Ain't that right, Liv?
Say goodnight, Ollie.
Good night, y'all. Thank you for tuning in to AMC and Ollie's.
AME. And Ollie's, where's me? I'm a part of this household.
Bye.